So guys, for the first step, you want to right click on the speakers in the bottom right, and then you want to click on sounds. And now we're going to click on the playback tab. You want to make sure that your correct speakers have been set as a default device. So you want to click on your speakers, and then click on set default, and then the green tick will appear, indicating that it's been set as a default device. Now you want to right click on your speakers, and then click on properties, which will then take you into here. And now you want to click on the advanced tab, and then you want to set this to the highest quality that you have. And you want to click on test, and then see if everything is working properly. If not, you can just play around with the other options that you have, see what works best for you. Now once you've done that, you want to click on apply and OK. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. And then you want to find your headphones or your speakers. You want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. Now for the third step, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on additional troubleshooters. And then you want to find the playing audio troubleshooter. You want to click on it, and then click on run the troubleshooter. It's going to detect your problems. If it finds anything, it will fix it for you. If the problem is still not fixed, you want to just simply unplug your headphones and plug it back into your computer, or you can try to unplug it and then plug it into a different port on your computer. Then you want to restart your computer, and then that should fix the problem. If not, then it's probably broken.